How to change address in Instarem. Follow my instructions. If you've moved and need to update your personal details in Instarem, changing your address is quick and secure from your mobile app. Here's the exact process step by step. Open the Instarem app and log into your account securely. From the dashboard, tap the menu or profile icon in the bottom navigation. Then select Account Settings or Personal Details. Scroll to the address section labeled Residential Info and tap to edit. Enter your new street, city, postcode, and country accurately. Make sure the details match your official proof of address. Next, upload a document like a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. Tap Submit and wait for Instarem to verify your new address, usually within 24-48 hours. You'll receive a confirmation notification once it is approved. That's how you update your address on Instarem safely in 2025. Thanks for watching.